Hello, beautiful viewers, and welcome to another lovely episode of Diary of a Blind Mom. Today, I'll be answering another question from one of my followers on TikTok. And the question is, why didn't I use salt for my pepper sauce? So, the reason why I did not use salt because one, the seasoning cube I use already have salt, and two, I don't want to go and put salt and it will not be friendly for my children to eat. So that's the reason why I did not use salt. So while you are making your own pepper sauce, you can use salt if you want to. It's a matter of choice. So thanks for watching today's Diary of a Blind Mom's episode. It's Diary of a Blind Mom on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Please continue to like and share, follow and subscribe to Diary of a Blind Mom. Thanks for watching and bye for now.